Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create a channel trailer for your YouTube channel right on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up YouTube on your PC and sign in to YouTube Studio. Once you're in, navigate to the left menu and select Customization. Then click on Layout. Next, under Video Spotlight, click ADD and select a video from your uploads that you want to feature as your channel trailer. This video will give viewers a sneak peek into what your channel is all about. After you've selected your video, click Publish, and voila! Your channel trailer is now live on your YouTube channel. Having a channel trailer is a great way to give viewers a taste of what they can expect from your content and encourage them to hit that subscribe button. So there you have it. Creating a channel trailer for your YouTube channel on PC is as easy as that. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel. See you next time.